Question 1. You need to remove a stripped screw. What's a common trick to get it out? A. Use a hammer. B. Place a rubber band between the screwdriver and screw. C. Superglue the screwdriver to the screw. Answer B. Place a rubber band between the screwdriver and screw. The rubber band provides extra grip and helps the screwdriver catch the screw head. Question 2. What type of safety glasses are most important to wear when drilling? A. Blue tinted safety glasses. B. Clear safety glasses. C. Any safety glasses will do. Answer B. Clear safety glasses. Clear safety glasses allow for maximum visibility and eye protection. Question 3. What does a GFCI outlet do? A. Makes your appliances run faster. B. Protects against electrical shock in wet areas. C. Lowers your electricity bill. Answer B. Protects against electrical shock in wet areas. GFCI outlets, or ground fault circuit interrupters outlet, quickly shut off power if they detect a ground fault, preventing potentially fatal shocks. Question 4. What should you do if an appliance cord is frayed or damaged? A. Cover it with electrical tape and keep using it. B. Replace the cord or the appliance. C. Ignore it until it sparks. Answer B. Replace the cord or the appliance. Damaged cords are a fire hazard and can cause electric shock. Question 5. What's the purpose of a circuit breaker? A. To make your lights brighter. B. To protect your home from electrical overloads. C. To control the volume of your TV. Answer B. To protect your home from electrical overloads. Circuit breakers interrupt the flow of electricity when a circuit is overloaded, preventing fires. Question 6. What does it mean if a circuit breaker keeps tripping? A. The circuit breaker is too old and needs replacing. B. The circuit is overloaded or there's a short circuit. C. It's a sign of paranormal activity. Answer B. The circuit is overloaded or there's a short circuit. This indicates too much electricity is flowing through the circuit. Question 7. Is it okay to use extension cords permanently? A. Yes, as long as they are heavy duty. B. No, they are only for temporary use. C. Only if you have a surge protector connected. Answer B. No, they are only for temporary use. Permanent use can overload circuits and create fire hazards. It's better to install additional outlets. Question 8. What's a common symptom of a loose electrical connection? A. The lights flicker. B. The TV gets louder. C. The toilet flushes automatically. Answer A. The lights flicker. Loose connections can cause intermittent power flow, resulting in flickering lights. Question 9. You want to install a new ceiling fan. What's the most important thing to consider before starting? A. Whether it matches your decor. B. If the ceiling box is rated to support the fan's weight. C. How many speeds the fan has. Answer B. If the ceiling box is rated to support the fan's weight. A fan is heavy, and a standard light fixture box may not be strong enough to hold it safely. Question 10. What does it mean when an outlet has 3 slots instead of 2? A. It's an outdated outlet. B. It's a grounded outlet. C. It's designed for European appliances. Answer B. It's a grounded outlet. The third slot is for the ground wire, which provides a safer path for electricity. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos.